Diary, hello, it is May 2024. I thought I'd make a quick update on what I would call the latest innovation in high density computer storage. And by storage I mean just placement. So in our tiny home in the UK, we are continually seeking ways to cram our computer equipment into the smallest space, since space is very limited here. And what you see in front of you is a Kallax shelving unit with some shelf inserts. So these are the shelf inserts here. Here's an existing Kallax unit without the shelf insert. And you'll notice that shelf inserts allow you to double the usable space. Now, the first innovation was to buy these Kallax units and to put computer equipment inside them. So if you see here, this is a Dymo printer, and below that is a PLE switch, which now the two units fit in one Kallax very neatly. The next is an example of a single Kallax unit, and if you've been following along on the YouTubes, you'll know that this is going to be the new server. So this tiny server, you can see the size of the mouse. Actually, that's the size of a very small mouse. That's a regular mouse size. You see how small that unit is. This is going to be the new Windows server, and I anticipate it's going to fit just here. It's still in testing phase, so there still needs to be some hardware upgrades, but I anticipate the whole unit will fit just in that half of a Kallax spacing with this important shelving unit. And don't forget, these Kallax units are available worldwide, so if you're watching this outside of the UK, perhaps back home in Switzerland, you could perhaps build an equivalent Kallax computer rack storage unit there. So just think of the possibilities. But I thought I'd show you first the Kallax shelf insert. It's just it's a major step forward. Thanks for watching.